Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada Ada. I'm a Canada-based YouTuber. If today is your first time of seeing my videos, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share my videos because you never can tell who this video might be helpful to. Yeah, in today's video, without wasting much of your time, I want to share with you guys some affordable skincare products that I've tried while living in Canada, and they have proven their worth in my skincare routine. This video is not sponsored by anybody. This is me sharing the things that has helped me when it comes to skincare, especially facial and body edition. So this is just me sharing my own personal experience with this skincare product. I know this is not my kind of videos here on this channel, but we're in 2026. This is the era of trying new things. You just never can tell. And I'm one of those girls that don't like to get skip, right? So that's why I always come here to share whatever that has worked for me with you guys, just so that anybody who is looking for help or solution in some of the things I share on this channel could also try some of the things I've recommended and see how it works for them. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of backstories before I start showing you guys this product. As a PCOS girly, if you know my story, I have PCOS. I've lived with it for maybe over 15 years, and because I have that, my skin is very sensitive to a lot of skincare products. And back in the days, it used to be my sister. A big shout out to her. She owns Spartan New skincare brand. She was my skincare formulator. I was her muse. I was her lab rat for years. And finally, we figured out together what works for me. She always used me to make her experiment and see if this product will work on any skincare type, especially sensitive skins. And it always turns out that whenever she tried them, if it doesn't work for me, it means it's not going to work for someone else. Majority of the times it falls in that category. And at the end of the day, we finally figured out something that was very tolerant to my sensitive skin, something that works when it comes to hyperpigmentation, acne, and the rest of it. We figured that out. And for the last 7 years of me living in Nigeria, my sister was my skincare formulator. She did everything from facial skincare down to my body skincare product. Everything, she formulated it until I moved down to Canada. Moving down to Canada, it became quite a hurdle for me to be able to figure out what kind of skincare products that will work for me. I've tried a couple of them, and it's either they're breaking me out or they're lightening me, or the skincare product is giving me a kind of hyperpigmentation. Most times I end up with one thing or the other. So after several research, I decided to try a couple of them, right? I just decided to experiment here and there. And the products I'm going to show you are the products that has worked for me so far. They are just the ones I've tried. I've not tried any other like brands that are beyond this. And from this video, you're going to see that these are the products that I keep repurchasing every now and then because they get the job done. They don't bleach me. They treat my hyperpigmentation. They don't break me out, which is a constant thing if you live with PCOS. So you're just going to understand that breaking out is a normal thing. So these products don't break me out. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into this product. So I'll start off with the body edition, which are like the things I put on my body that has also helped keep my skin nourished because I have a dry skin, very dry skin. So these products are the ones that has kept my skin, nourished, looking hydrated, and I've never had issues with them. I've bought them over and over. Number one on my list is this very brand. I don't know if you guys can see. It's called Life Clean Baby. This is a baby lotion. Baby lotion. Yes, baby lotion. So how did I figure out this baby lotion could work for me? If you follow me on this channel, you know that I have a baby just 3 years old. So when he was still like maybe a few months old, someone bought me this product and I tried using it for him. But I figured out that my son also have very sensitive skin like me. It was giving him patches like eczema. So after a while, I stopped using it and reverted to something else. I came all the way from Nigeria with my own skincare product, which is the one my sister formulated for me. Fast forward to a few months later, after I'd given birth, that skincare product got finished. I didn't know what to do. So I just going through something in my home to like throw out some things that I no longer use. And I found this product. So I said, you know what? Why don't I try using it? I just said I was going to use it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, by the way, it didn't work for my child, I was going to throw it out anyway. So I tried it for like a week and I kind of like it. But the only problem I have with this product is the fact that it kind of dries my skin out. Like, it's not very, it says here that it has gentle moisture. It does not have any moisture in it. Like, it doesn't keep your skin hydrated, right? Still buy it because it gets my job done. But the only thing is that I have another thing I combine with it. So this very skincare product works very, very well for me. And then I went further to like do my research, and I found out that because it's a baby lotion, it's formulated with plant-based ingredients. And I think that's why it works for me. To be honest, most of the things that my sister figured out works better for me or for my skin type are things that are only derived from plants. I don't know how that works. She figured that those are the only things that work for me. So this works for me. It's called Live Baby Lotion. This is so good, but like I said, the downside to it is that it is not moisturizing. So because it's not moisturizing, I went a step further to buy this Aveeno. You guys should come and do me your what ambassador. I bought this Aveeno body oil. That's what I combined with it, and since I got it, there's been a huge difference. Like, there's been a huge improvement. My body is looking more moisturized, looking more toned. My complexion is bright and shiny. Aveeno body moisturizer. That is what I combine with that to get that luxurious glowy effect on my body every time. Then we move forward to facial skincare product. As you can see in this bag, I have quite a huge number of skincare products here. These are items that I keep going back to. Now I will start with the Vitamin C Serum. I remember when a friend of mine introduced me to Garnier, you guys should come forward too and make me a brand. So she introduced me to this one, the Vitamin C Serum that has 3.5 niacinamide, vitamin C, and salicylic acid. I figured out it doesn't work for me. Instead, it breaks me out. I didn't know what to do because it promises to get the job done on that 7 working days. But because it's affordable, I didn't, after using it, if you can see, it still has quite a good amount left in it. I didn't use it for too long. It was not just doing what I wanted, and it was beginning to break me out. So I just quickly left it. Last year, while I was talking to one of the girls at Shoppers, she said, "Oh, if you wanted something cheap that gets the job done, try Garnier." And I'm like, "No, it breaks me out." She said, "No, try the new improved version that they have, another one, which is this one. This is the one that gets the job done." This Vitamin C Serum, like it says, it brightens. It gets the job done. It doesn't break me out. It contains 4% vitamin C, niacinamide, and salicylic acid. And if you are the type that breaks out, salicylic acid should be your best friend. So this gets the job done. And you see, I have 4 containers of empties of this because I keep going back to them. It's quite affordable, and why not? Because it gets the job done. So this is what I use for my vitamin C. So another vitamin C serum. Yes, I use 2 different vitamin C serum for my face. So this is the Elf vitamin C serum. This serum is very oily, just like the Dang products I use back home. I buy the oil vitamin C from Dang. That's the one I use, and it was amazing. This one is as oily as the Dang serum. I've used it for maybe close to from the time of inception. I saw it on TikTok. Someone, reviewed it. A dermatologist in London, like UK. He recommended it, and I decided to give it a try. It's very, very affordable. I decided to buy it. I love it. I love it. It says it contains 15% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, and 0.5% ferulic acid. So this is why I use it. It's been effective. It gives my face that glowy kind of look. When I get to the office, most people say, "Oh, your face is looking good. You look so good." This is it. Then for my niacinamide, back in Nigeria, I was using the Dank product, but it's very difficult to find it here. Even when you do, I cannot afford to pay $15 as delivery fee. And sometimes it takes more than expected to get delivered to my home. I think I bought it once and I never went back to it. It was good. It was very effective while I was using it back in Nigeria, and I didn't have regrets for it. I'm a down girl, but until they figure out how to make it easily accessible in Canada to everybody, I will not be buying it. So shout out to the TikTok girlies. I saw on TikTok that Good Molecule Niacinamide works. Good Molecule, this is my ad to you guys. So I decided to try Good Molecule, and Good Molecule has not failed to deliver. It says it contains 10% niacinamide. I've been using it. It has helped greatly with my hyperpigmentation, and it has also brightened my face a lot. So this is one affordable product that I keep going back to. Like in my house, I have tons and tons of containers of what? Good Molecule. So this is one product that I love to use. Another one I want to talk about is the moisturizer. I use the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is my favorite moisturizer. It has one that is more like advanced compared to this one, but this works for me every time I pick it up on Walmart, because I like using products that are easily accessible. So I buy this from Walmart, and to be honest, it gets the job done. It is very, 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 very moisturizing. I keep going back to it. Another skincare product I'm currently loving, I just added this one to my skincare routine. It's also a moisturizer, and that is the VTDRN Essence. This moisturizer is very, very affordable. It lasts longer. It gets the job done. It leaves my face feeling that dewy, glowy kind of look. That's what it does to my face. I like it because it says it helps with elasticity and wrinkle care. And you know, as women, the older you become, the more wrinkled you get. The older you become, the more your skin loses elasticity. So this is one product that has really helped when it comes to the elasticity of my skin and wrinkles. Not like I have wrinkle, but prevention is better than cure. One Korean skincare brand that I agree with is this one. And now this is the Odogu of the Odogu of the Odogu of my skincare products. I call it the Odogu because every time this particular skincare is almost out, I feel my heart starts palpitating, and that's because it's so expensive. I had to add it here because it's one of my skincare products. So I will take out the word affordable when it comes to this particular product, and that is what the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Serum. I don't know if I pronounced it well. This is my go-to every time. I have tons and tons of the bottles. This skincare product is not cheap, but does it get the job done? To a certain, yes, it does. I love it. I saw a huge improvement the minute I started using it. But if I find an alternative that does what it does, I think I might not go back to it. It's just that I've tried using ChatGPT because sometimes I use it to like figure out my way around. So I've tried using ChatGPT to compare this product with some other product to see if I can find a better alternative, or better still, something that does what the skincare product does. But every time I try, I never come up with anything. It's either it's recommending I combine two different products, which I don't really have the energy for it. So like I said, this video is not sponsored, but if you have super sensitive skin and you've been trying products and you're not sure which one will work, try this one. It is not cheap. Like I said, it is not cheap. Oh, that's I did not tell you, it's not cheap, but it gets the job done. Contains glycolic acid, it contains AHA, and it's more like I use it because it's more like an exfoliating serum. So I use it basically at night. This is the only product that I don't use during the day. I can use it during the day because back in the day when I first started using it, I always use it both at morning and at night. But because of the price now, I'm just a girl trying to survive. I don't want to spend my money buying only skincare product. So I only resorted to using it at night. I use this at night and it gets the job done. I won't even lie for you. I love this product. I don't know what they have in it. I love it. I love it. Barrier, because I put too many skincare products on my face, which is two different vitamin C serum, the niacinamide, and all that. Another product I use to help with my skin barrier is the La Roche-Posay. Don't mind me if I don't pronounce it well. The La Roche-Posay Cica Blast. This is like a moisturizer, but also it helps with your skin barrier. Because of the too many skincare products I put, I try to use this at night to help repair my skin barrier. This is very affordable. It lasts for a long time. I've used this particular container now for like over 6 months and it's still doing the job. So I love this one because it helps with my skin barrier. This is what I use. And then the final on the list is my sunscreen, because there is no way I will talk about skincare products, especially things I use on my face, without talking about the sunscreen, and this is the sunscreen, the Roche-Posay Sunscreen. This is the chemical sunscreen. This is the only sunscreen that I've used from back home in Nigeria that gets the job done. I figured it out like maybe 3 to 4 years before I moved to Canada. Someone did a review of this sunscreen. I tried it among other sunscreens that I had at that time, and this stood out. This particular sunscreen and the Super Goop sunscreen, I'm going to put a picture, are the only two sunscreen that has helped or worked on my skin as a super sensitive skin girly. This particular one especially and the Super Goop are the only two sunscreen that I've used that's worked for me. So if you're looking for sunscreen that are for sensitive skin, get this one. Get it. The only difference is that if you mistakenly get it into your eyes, it's going to hurt your eyes, it's going to make your eyes red. But outside that, this is such an amazing product, and whatever they put in it, they should please continue with it. My only problem is they should figure a way to do it in such a way that it will not hurt my eyes. Just that. So these are like all the products that I use that has worked for me and is still working for me, and I keep repurchasing them. If you've ever used any one of these products, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know what your experience was, and drop a comment. If you have better alternative to any of the skincare products I have recommended or I have shown you guys in this video, please let me know in the comment section. And with that, I bring this video to an end. I don't forget to please like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. We love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay,